Kenya plans to double its livestock production and ramp up export of animal products in the next 9 years. This is according to the livestock agenda launched today that identifies diseases, high cost of animal feed and malnutrition as key challenges hampering livestock production.
The livestock sector contributes an estimated 12% to the economy. However, diseases, malnutrition, mismanagement and low inherent productivity hinders its growth.
We must address the issue, the science around our work. What is our diagnostic work? How do we manage our diseases, disease search, disease investigation, disease identification, and that the human-animal interface, human-animal interaction, encroachment into the ecosystem, and what do we have as major formal treatments and what are our ethno issues, how we manage the treatment, do they work?
To boost productivity, the government has rolled out a 9-year livestock research agenda anchored on evidence-based survey of the subsector. The agenda prioritizes, among others, improvements in livestock husbandry, feeding and breeding, as well as the adoption of technology and innovation.
Now we've been referred to as a middle-income country, meaning the disposable income is high, and we just don't want to eat any other food. We want now the animal protein food, something that we were not able to buy, but we are now able to buy because of the disposable income. And therefore, we have to look at it in terms of how then do we increase productivity within the livestock subsector. Without setting the research agenda, it's going to be very difficult to able to increase productivity.
The livestock agenda plans to double the livestock population in the country while at the same time increasing animal products like meat, milk, skins and hides, among others.
This livestock research agenda has been developed to address the requirements for the entire livestock sector development, and it recognizes that livestock is an integral part and plays a key role in the sustainable food systems.
The livestock PS said the data will aid in the identification and prioritization of livestock programs to adequately tackle the challenges across the value chain. Regina Manyara reporting for Prime